As urban living continues to evolve, small apartments have become the standard for many city dwellers. Limited space has encouraged designers and homeowners to rethink how kitchens function and appear within compact environments. Minimalist kitchen design has emerged as one of the most effective responses to this challenge. By prioritizing simplicity, efficiency, and visual clarity, minimalist kitchens offer practical and stylish solutions for small apartments. Current design trends reflect a growing focus on adaptability, comfort, and intelligent use of space, proving that small kitchens can still feel refined and contemporary. The growing popularity of minimalism in small apartments. Minimalism has gained momentum in small apartment design because it aligns perfectly with the realities of urban living. Smaller spaces require thoughtful planning, and minimalist principles help eliminate unnecessary elements that can make a kitchen feel cramped. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and restrained color palettes allow the kitchen to appear larger and more organized. In modern apartments, the kitchen often blends into the living area. Minimalist design supports this open-plan concept by creating a seamless visual connection between spaces. The result is a kitchen that feels integrated rather than isolated, enhancing the overall sense of openness. Neutral color palettes with subtle depth. One of the strongest trends in minimalist kitchens for small apartments is the continued use of neutral color palettes. Whites, soft grays, beige, and muted earth tones dominate these spaces because they reflect light and create a calm atmosphere. However, recent designs are moving beyond flat, uniform finishes. Subtle tonal variations and layered neutrals add depth without compromising simplicity. For example, combining warm off-white cabinetry with light stone countertops introduces contrast in a refined way. This approach maintains a minimalist aesthetic while preventing the kitchen from feeling monotonous or sterile. Handleless cabinetry and seamless surfaces. Handleless cabinets remain a defining trend in minimalist kitchen design. By eliminating visible hardware, cabinetry appears smoother and more continuous, which is especially beneficial in small apartments. Push-to-open mechanisms or recessed handles maintain functionality while preserving a clean visual profile. Seamless surfaces extend beyond cabinetry to include integrated backsplashes and countertops. Continuous materials create visual flow and reduce fragmentation, making the kitchen feel more expansive. This trend emphasizes the minimalist focus on simplicity and coherence. Smart storage and hidden solutions. Efficient storage is essential in small apartment kitchens, and minimalist design continues to innovate in this area. Hidden storage solutions are increasingly popular, allowing homeowners to keep countertops clear and maintain an uncluttered appearance. Pull-out pantries, concealed drawers, and multi-level cabinet interiors maximize every available inch of space. Vertical storage is also being used more strategically, with tall cabinets reaching the ceiling to eliminate wasted space. These smart solutions support both practicality and aesthetic clarity. Integrated and compact appliances. Another key trend in minimalist kitchens for small apartments is the use of integrated and compact appliances. Built-in ovens, concealed refrigerators, and hidden dishwashers reduce visual noise and help the kitchen blend seamlessly with surrounding spaces. Manufacturers now offer high-performance appliances designed specifically for smaller kitchens. These compact options provide full functionality without dominating the room. Matching appliance finishes with cabinetry further enhances visual unity and supports the minimalist ideal. Emphasis on natural light and reflective elements. Natural light continues to play a vital role in minimalist kitchen design. Designers are prioritizing unobstructed windows, open layouts, and reflective surfaces to amplify daylight in small apartments. Bright, naturally lit kitchens feel more open and comfortable. Reflective materials such as glossy tiles, polished stone, or subtle metallic accents are being used carefully to enhance light distribution. When applied in moderation, these elements increase brightness without disrupting the calm and restrained aesthetic. Warm minimalism and natural materials. A notable shift in minimalist kitchen trends is the move toward warmer, more inviting designs. While early minimalist kitchens often appeared stark, current trends embrace natural materials to create balance. Wood, stone, and textured finishes are being incorporated to add warmth and character. Lightwood cabinetry or accents are particularly popular in small apartments, as they introduce warmth without overwhelming the space. This trend reflects a broader desire for kitchens that feel comfortable and livable, not just visually clean. Open shelving used with restraint. Open shelving remains a popular feature, but its use has become more intentional. In small minimalist kitchens, open shelves are typically limited to 1 or 2 sections and used to display only essential or carefully chosen items. This restrained approach prevents visual clutter while adding personality to the kitchen. Open shelving also improves accessibility and can make the space feel lighter when compared to fully enclosed cabinetry. Flexible and multifunctional features. Multifunctionality is a defining trend in minimalist kitchens for small apartments. Features such as foldable countertops, pull-out work surfaces, and compact kitchen islands allow the space to adapt to different needs. Bar counters that double as dining areas or workspaces are increasingly common. These elements support modern lifestyles where kitchens serve multiple purposes beyond cooking. Minimalist design ensures that these features remain visually integrated rather than intrusive. Sustainable and low-maintenance design choices. Sustainability is becoming an integral part of minimalist kitchen design. Durable materials, energy-efficient appliances, and long-lasting finishes reduce environmental impact while supporting everyday practicality. Low-maintenance surfaces are particularly valued in small apartments, where ease of cleaning contributes to a more comfortable living experience. This trend aligns with minimalist principles by encouraging thoughtful consumption and long-term value. Conclusion: minimalist kitchens shaping the future of small apartments. Minimalist kitchen design trends for small apartments continue to evolve, driven by the need for efficiency, comfort, and visual clarity. Through neutral palettes, smart storage, integrated appliances, and warm natural materials, these kitchens achieve a refined balance between simplicity and livability.